Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit reels with Videoleap. Videoleap is a powerful mobile video editing app designed for the beginners and advanced creators. It offers professional tools like multi-layer editing, transitions, effects, text, animations, color grading and templates all from your phone. If you want to create smooth, trendy and high quality Instagram reels, Videoleap makes the process simple and professional. You can edit and ready for the social media. Now let's go step by step. First, what you can do is open to your Videoleap app. Over here you can simply create a new project on the bottom on the plus icon, or you can simply go to one of the drafts, and over here your clip will appear in the timeline at the bottom. So over here what you can do is you can select to the one of the templates that you want to put in here, and you can select any of the template by tapping over here. And after that, the template has just been added to your video as well. And you can also trim and arrange the clips, and tap on the clip to trim, drag the edges to cut the unwanted part as well. Use split to cut in the middle, and rearrange the clip by dragging them as well by simply holding one of the clip and simply putting beside it. And make sure to keep your reels between 7 to 20 seconds for the better engagement. And that is it. After that, you can export it in the high quality in the top right over here, and simply tap on the save, and that is it. And after that, you can upload to your Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.